Alright, what's up you guys? Erica here from I-49RC. It's now Sunday, and I've done a little bit of work on the crawler course. So thank you guys so much for all your guys' suggestions. They were awesome. I'm working on implementing them soon. Just, stay tuned, of course. So, I'm sorry that I didn't show you any of the building that I did today, and yesterday, but, I hope that you enjoy seeing it anyways, and I'll try to bruh, that leaf literally just fell on my head. I will try and film more of this stuff, like building stuff in the trees and other sorts of like wooden obstacles. I'll try and show you guys more of that later on. But for the moment, let's take a look at what I've got going here. So, over here this morning I put together some nice sized rocks for my comp crawler. Like I said, I kind of want to have a section like for my comp crawler, a section for my scaler, and a section for my like blue crawler. So I've just kind of piled up some rocks here so that there's different ways that you can get up from there to go in that way. You can come up through the bottom here, and then I piled these up so you can have the option to crawl up and up to the top level, which I'll put some stuff on too. I mean, that's about it. Nothing too exciting, just a rock pile. And I did use the brick thing. As you can see, there's bricks underneath there to try and save rock, because otherwise I would have had to use a lot more rock for that little pile there. Then over here, somebody had suggested to make a bridge over like two hills of dirt, and it's essentially what I've done here. You can see it goes over. So now this section here that you're looking at is for my Gelande, so it's a little bit more, it's easier, obviously, and it's more scale, which is kind of what I was after. I buried some logs down here for some suspension testing obstacles, and then a little ramp up, a bridge across, and a ramp down. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I like the way that like the wall underneath turned out with the bricks. It makes it look kind of cool. It makes it kind of look like a freeway bridge, if that makes any sense. Just put some rocks down here. Some rocks down in the trench too. Then over here, got more sticks. This was like a stick bridge thing that I had built not super long ago, but last year sometime, I think. You guys, I'm sure, probably recognize it. And I figured, well, it's kind of getting old, not super pretty, so I figured I'd just put it in the ground, and if it rots, it rots. Whatever, no big deal, right? And over here, got a ramp going up to the top level, which my Gelande will be able to get up this. It has a very good, it's very long, so it climbs very well. And the front and rear bumper does clear that angle there. But you can go under it, you can go up it. This is, there's a section of concrete path that was right here that I took out, and that was it. So, okay, I can't lift that right now, but it's flat under there. But I figured, well, that's kind of a cool obstacle, kind of rough and lots of traction. And I just kind of cleared out this pit a little bit, this trench, put some rocks in it so it's a bit of a hill climb up to there. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for what I've done today and yesterday. I'll do a little bit more this afternoon, but I'll show you that next week probably. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any ideas, or any more ideas if stuff here has sparked your imagination and creativity. So yeah, stay tuned for next weekend. I'll probably have another video of this out. And later today, I will have a video out of my slash, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.